Court marshal's ready.
Yeah.
We'll listen for the tone.
That's all right.
And we are off and rolling. This could be a good one. Got 4 cars packed up really tight right in the middle of your 2 leaders. We're going to be real forward and on deck. Cars all over the front straightaway. Watch the front chute. It's clear. He said, that's my dad. Ron Nick all over Rick Lower's back bumper off of third 4 down the front chute. Lower pulls away by about a car length or so. Rick Lower, the orange and white number 1. Ron Nick, the orange number 11. Third spot belongs to Kevin Brocky, the Hooters number 16. Cars together in turn 4. It's clear. Watch out. Roberts turned around. Got a car in the wall over here in turn number 1. That's Stu Patrick. So your running order still Moore, Mick, Brocky, Karuba in that 4 spot, Shuckberg in 5th, Shuckman in 6th, Patrick in number 7. A lot of cars piled in together, everybody looking to get around Robert Shuckman. Your 2 leaders side by side looking to get into turn 3. Rick Moore works his way through. Ron Nick gets in the middle of it. Now they've got to get around Stu Patrick.
Yeah, I really need it.
He cuts off Ron. He's up there laughing too. He's grinning. Beat coming through, yeah. The Tennessee World Champion. Ron Nick still trying to work all over Rick Moore down the front straightaway. Call it Rocky. 2 down, 2 to go, 2 down, 2 to go. Your front 3 now working through traffic. Kevin Brocky trying to close in. Brocky trying to get past Stu Patrick down the back chute. Looks to the inside, can't make it work. Rick Moore starting to pull away just a little bit, but a little bit of traffic in front as Shuckberg tags the wall.
Come on, Stu.
Rick Moore trying to get around Karuba and Shuckberg. Ron Nick still right there as Kevin Brocky is in the waiting right now. Oh, Rick Moore puts a door to Karuba. Shows him out of the groove. Rick Moore with a clear racetrack now. Ron Nick right behind him. Kevin Brocky's coming through. Still over a minute to go. Wow. Stu Patrick and Karuba just tangle over here in turn 1 and 2. Karuba goes sailing off into the pit area. Minute to go, guys. Still a minute to go. Long ways. Your leader is still trying to work through traffic. Kevin Brocky is hoping somebody makes a mistake and they get tangled up. 45 seconds to go. 17.5 truck, A-Main up next. That's going to be Talbot, Blackstock, Price. Bunch of cars get together and then Rick Moore gets turned around, drops it back to that 3rd spot with 30 seconds to go.
You're rare, Stu.
Ron Nick, your new leader, Brocky to 2nd. Moore drops back to that 3rd spot. Not going to be enough time unless he gets Brocky to get to at least 2nd, but 15 seconds left on the clock.
Come on, Stu. Make or break it.
Ron Nick, the orange number 11, your leader in the middle of traffic. Brocky, the 16 in that 2nd spot. Nick Lower back to 3rd. That's going to do it for time. Keep going till we call you done. Keep going and everybody's done.
I think that's good for the dot.
You're a winner of the A-Main 13.5 CRC Rubber Tire Stock Cars. Mr. Ron Nick gets the win. Kevin Brocky gets that 2nd spot. Rick Moore, number 3.